Hello students, in our earlier lecture we are start Advanced Diploma in Tax Practicing paper 3rd. We are studied ITR 1 applicable for individual having income from salary, income from one house property or income from other source and total income up to rupees 50 lakh. Okay, so here we solve a problem how to fill income tax return, how to file income tax return 1. Okay, uh, and we solve a two problem on ITR filing, ITR number 1. Okay, in our today's lecture we are going to file the income tax return for assessment year 2020-21. Problem number 3rd, that is name of SSC is given here. Name of SSC Mr. Ganesh Anandrao Deshmukh. Address at Post Kari Tel and Dist, Tahsil and District Satara. Pin code number 415014. Then email address is given, that is Ganesh Deshmukh 94@gmail.com. Okay, so here name of the SSC is given, then name of the SSC is given, then here address of SSC is given. Okay, then email address of SSC is given, then PAN card number of SSC is given here, then Aadhaar card number of SSC, then date of birth of SSC, then mobile number of SSC, then nature of employment of the SSC. Okay, so nature of employment is given. So here we read all information, that is general information of SSC. We fill this information in ITR 1 part A. Okay, so we fill all this information in ITR 1 part A, that is general information of SSC. Then 9 point is basic salary or details of salary. Okay, so here details of salary is given, details of salary of the SSC. Details of salary of SSC is given, that is basic pay rupees 30,000 per month, basic pay rupees 30,000 per month, then bonus rupees 50,000 per annum, bonus 50,000 per annum, then DA rupees 20,000 per annum, then DA rupees 20,000 per annum, then commission rupees 60,000 per annum, commission rupees 60,000 per annum, commission rupees 60,000 per annum. Okay, then commission rupees 60,000 per annum, then allowance for gas rupees 2,000 per month. So gas allowance is received by the SSC from employer, so it is taxable, and gas allowance rupees 2,000 per month. Then family allowance rupees 30,000 per annum. It means yearly family allowance is received by the SSC from employer. Then free cloth provided by the employer to the SSC. So it is a cloth is a perquisite, and cloth is provided by the employer to the employee, then it is exempted. Okay, so here 10,000 is exempted, so we did not taken into consideration the free cloth provided by the employer. Then entertainment allowance 20,000 per month, so entertainment allowance is taxable. Okay, and allowable for deduction only for government employees. So nature of employment is very important here. Mr. Ganesh is a central government employee, so first of all we add the entertainment allowance in gross salary, and then we get a deduction of entertainment allowance, okay, under section 16 subsection 3. Then professional tax paid by the SSC 2500, 2500. Okay, so here we read a details of salary. Now we read a details of house property let out. So house property is given on a rent to another person, and rent received by the SSC is rupees 2 lakh. That is called gross annual value of the house property. Then municipal tax is paid by the SSC 15,000. Then fire insurance taken for house property rupees 4,000. Then repairs of house property 20,000. So here repairs and fire insurance is not taken into consideration, because for house property repairs and maintenance of house property, the standard deduction is given to the house property, that is 30% on annual value for the purpose of repairs and maintenance of house property. So these expenses should not be excluded from the income of house property, because 30% standard deduction is given on house property for the purpose of maintenance and repairs of house property. Got it? Then next one is life insurance policy. So life insurance policy is a taken for the purpose of SSC, or it is taken for the life of the SSC. So it is a contribution of the SSC. Okay, life insurance policy is taken for the life of the SSC, so it is a contribution of the SSC, and contribution is allowed to deduct from the gross total income under section 80C. So here we deduct a life insurance policy under section 80C from gross total income. Then donation were given to Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund. So here donation is given to Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund. So it is allowed for deduction from gross total income under section 80G. Just remember the 50% or 100% donation is allowed for deduction or not. Here 100% donation is allowed for deduction for donation is given to Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund, Prime Minister Tsunami Fund, then Prime Minister Earthquake Fund. 50% in case of the donation were given to the temple, orphanage, educational institution. Got it, etc. So here donation were given to the Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund, so it is 100% allowed for deduction. Then next one is given, that is bank details. Okay, here it is a bank details, bank details. Okay, bank details. Then name of the bank. Okay, Bank of Baroda, IFSC code. Okay, so here details of bank is given, and the details of bank is important for income tax refund. Okay, so for selecting the income tax refund, if the income tax is excess paid by the SEC, if SEC has paid excess income tax, then income tax refund the tax to the SEC. For this purpose the bank details is very important. So here bank details is given. Then next one is to file income tax return, that is ITR 1 for AY 2020-21. So here we read a problem, start from general information. So here form ITR 1 is given. We already discussed the format of ITR, or which points is included in the ITR, and how to fill the income tax return 1. Okay, so here assessment year is given 2021. Now here part A, we fill the information in part A, that is general information, and general information of SEC is given in the problem. So fill the general information of SEC. So here PAN card number is given, that is ADEEG 3425K. So here we fill the information. So here A D E E J 323225K. Okay, so here we fill the information of PAN card number. Okay, then here we fill the PAN card number. So we make it red for your understanding. Okay, we fill the all form by red color. Okay, so you better understand how to file income tax return one. Then name of the SEC. So name of the SEC is given, that is Ganesh Anandrao Deshmukh. So here Ganesh Anandrao, Ganesh A Deshmukh. Okay, Ganesh A Deshmukh. A means Anandrao Deshmukh. Then date of birth. So date of birth is also given. Okay, so here date of birth 14th May 1994. So here 1405051994 is the date of birth of the SEC. It means 14 May 1995. Okay, got it. Then Aadhaar card number. So Aadhaar card number is also given in the problem. Okay, so fill the Aadhaar card number. So here Aadhaar card number is 181828384747. So here we fill the Aadhaar card number, that is Aadhaar card number is given, that is 182847473230 is the Aadhaar card number of the SEC. Okay, is the Aadhaar card number of the SEC. Then mobile number. So mobile number is also given, that is 8447849289. So fill the mobile number here. Okay, here we fill the mobile number of the SEC. Here 8447849289. Okay, is the mobile number of SEC. 8447849289. Then email address. So email address is given, that is Ganesh Deshmukh 94 @gmail.com. So here Ganesh Ganesh Deshmukh 94 at the rate gmail.com. Then address, so address is also given. Okay, address is also given in the problem, so fill the information of address of the SAC. So here at post Kari Tel and Dist Satara, Tehsil Satara, district Satara, pin code 145014. So here at post Kari Tel and Dist Satara, pin code 145014. Okay, 14. Okay, now tick mark on appropriate box. So here we fill a income tax return on or before due date. So we make a red to the on or before, because here we cannot tick mark to the appropriate box, so we make a red to appropriate box. Here we fill a income tax on or before due date. Okay, then here nature of employment. So nature of employment is given, that is Mr. Ganesh is the central government employee. Okay, so we make a red. Then here if revised defective, then enter. So here it is, he is not defective, the SSC is not defective, so it is not necessary, so we make it nil. Okay, then part B is start. Okay, and part B is gross total income of the SSC. Part B is subcategorized in three parts, that is B1, B2, B3. Okay, so B1 is relating to the gross salary of the SSC, B2 is relating to the income from house property, and B3 is relating to the income from other source of SSC. Okay, so first of all we have to compute a gross salary, because the details of salary is given in the problem. So here first of all find out a gross salary. So here we find out a salary here. Okay, so here we insert a, doesn't matter. Okay, so here we directly write it as basic salary 30,000 per month. Per month we convert a basic pay into a year. So here 30,000 multiplied by 12 is equal to 3,60,000, is equal to 3,60,000 is the basic pay of the SSC. 30,000 multiplied by 12, 3,60,000, 3,60,000 is the basic pay. Then bonus, so bonus is given by employer to the employee is rupees 50,000, it means it is a per annum. Okay, yearly bonus is given to the SSC. Then here DA is given, DA received by the SSC per month, that is 20,000 per month. So 20,000 per month, so we compute a salary for 1 year, so 20,000 into 12, we received a yearly dearness allowance of the SSC, that is 20,000 multiplied by 12. Here we receive 2,40,000 DA a year. Then commission. So commission received by the SSC is rupees 60,000 per annum. Is rupees 60,000 per annum. Okay. Yearly the commission is received by the SSC is rupees 60,000. So here we taken into consideration the 60,000 per year. Then gas allowance. So gas allowance is given by the employer to the employee is rupees 2,000 per month. So here 2,000 per month multiplied by 12, okay, is equal to 24,000. 24,000 is the gas allowance received by the SSC in a year. Then 30,000 family allowance per annum. So here the SSC will receive a family allowance for a year amounted rupees 30,000, amounted rupees 30,000. Okay. Then cloth allowances, it is not allowance, it is a perquisite. Free cloth provided by the employer to the employee, it is a perquisite, it is a facility provided by the employer to the employee. Okay. So free cloth rupees 10,000. So if employer has provided a free cloth to the employee, then this perquisite is exempted from the tax or tax free perquisite. So here uh, allowances allowances we taken into consideration. Free cloth is a perquisite facility, so it is nil. So it is nil. So here is equal to nil. Got it? Is equal to nil. Here this perquisite is nil. Okay. So here nil. Got it? Subsection 3. Got it? Subsection 3. So here 20,000 per annum, 20,000 per annum entertainment allowance is received by the SSC. So here we find out a salary of the SSC, that is gross salary. So here is equal to gross salary is equal to gross salary is equal to, here make the total. So totally is equal to 3,60,000, 3,60,000, 3,60,000, 3,60,000. So here we compute a gross salary of the SSC, that is Mr. Ganesh Deshmukh, is 3,60,000 plus 50,000 plus 2,40,000 plus 60,000 plus 24,000 plus 30,000. Here we get a gross salary amounted to rupees 7,64,000. 7,64,000 is the gross salary. Okay, so here we find out a gross salary. Now we fill a part B. Okay, that is gross salary B1. Fill a B1 part of ITR first, that is gross salary. We already find out a gross salary, so it is very easy to fill here. A part salary as per section 17(1). So salary is equal to 7,64,000. Okay, 7,64,000. allowed for deduction, okay, is allowed for deduction at 30%. So here we deduct a 55,500 from 1,85,000. So here 1,85,000 minus 1,85,000 minus 1,85,000 minus 55,500 is equal to, we get a income chargeable under the head of house property, that is 1,29,500. Okay, then income from other source. So income from other source is not given, so here amounting column is nil. Amounting column of income from other source is nil. Then deduction nil. Then here deduction is nil. Then deduction, all deductions are nil. This deduction under section 85 is relating to the family pension. Okay, family pension of the SSC. So it is nil. So it is nil. Then next one is B4. B4 is relating to the gross total income. So gross total income is equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3. So here B1 we already find out. Okay, so here B1 is given. B1 we already find out, that is here B1 7,06,500, 7,06,500 plus B2 1,29,500 plus B3. So B3 is nil, so make a total of B1 and B2. So here 7,06,500 plus 1,29,500, we get 8,36,000 is the total income. 8,36,000 is the total income, that is gross total income. Okay, here we find out a gross total income. Now next, deduction applicable to the individual under chapter 6a under section 80C to 80U. So here deduction is given, that is LIC policy 25,000 and donation 80G, that is 10,000 rupees. So here LIC policy is rupees 25,000 and donation, so 80C's deduction is given, that is 25,000. Here 25,000 and 80G. So deduction under section 80G is given. So here 80G is given, that is 10,000, 100 income. So here we compute a tax on total income as per the slab rate. Okay, as per the slab rate, income up to 2,50,000, income up to 2,50,000, tax nil. Then income, between 2,50,000 1 to 5 lakh, 5%. Okay, 5%. Then here, then here income 2,50,000 1 to 5 lakh, 5 lakh, it is 5%. Then income 5 lakh to 10 lakh, 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh, that is 20%. Income above 10 lakh, 30%. Income above 10 lakh. Okay, income above 10 lakh, 30%. 30%. Okay, so here total income is 8,01,000 here. Total income is here. Total income is 8,01,000 is the total income. Okay, so here as per the slab rate we compute a tax on total income, that is 8,01,000. So here for up to income up to 1,50,000 nil. So here again we write is nil. Then income up to 5 lakh. So here we deduct a 2,50,000 from 1 lakh, sorry, 2,50,000 from 8,01,000. So here we get 5,51,000. Okay, so 5% on 5 lakh to 50,000, 5 lakh 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, that is 5%. 5% on 2,50,000, that is 12,500. So again deduct a 2,50,000 from remaining balance, that is 5,51,000. We get 3,01,000. So here 3,01,000 into 20%, we get here 60,200. 60,200 is the tax. Now make the total, that is 12,500. 12,500 plus 60,200, here we get 72,700 is the total tax. Okay, so here total tax, that is part D here, 72,700. Okay, 72,700, 72,700. Then next rebate nil, then tax after rebate same amount, that is 72,700. Now add a 4% says on tax after rebate. So here 4%, compute 4% on 72,700. So here into 4%, that is 2,908. 2,908 is the cess. Now make the total of tax after rebate and 4% health and education cess. So here total is equal to 72,000 plus 2,908. 2,908 is equal to 75,608 is the total tax and cess. Then relief is nil, interest is nil, then total tax, fees and interest is equal to 608. Okay, tax paid during the year assessee. So assessee does not paid any tax, so amount is nil. So here assessee will paid the tax in assessment year 2021 is rupees 75,608. Here 75,608 is the total tax paid by the assessee. So here refund is not given to the assessee because assessee does not paid a tax during the year. Okay, so amount payable rupees 75,600. Okay, then we fill the information of the bank. Okay, now we fill the bank details of the assessee. So here bank details is given, name of bank, that is Bank of Baroda. So here we fill the details, bank details here. Here name of bank, Bank of Baroda. Then IFSC code, is given. IFSC code, that is BBAR 5 times 0, 4 times 0, 4 3. So here paste the number, that is okay. We fill the information, name of bank, then IFSC code, then account number. Here account number is given, that is account number is given. So here account number, paste the account number. Account number. Now select the refund bank. So here Bank of Baroda, Bank of Baroda. Okay, so refund is not given to the assessee because assessee will pay a tax amounted to rupees 75,680. Now here all things are nil. Here verification of the assessee, that is I Anandrao Deshmukh, son of, here so erase daughter, son of Anandrao Anandrao Deshmukh, okay, solemnly declare that to the best of my knowledge and belief the information given in the return is correct and complete and is in accordance with the provision of the Income Tax Act 1961. I further declare that I am making this return in my capacity as a self in the assessment year 2020-21. Then pan card number, so pan card number is given, that is ADEEG3425K is the pan card number. Then date, fill a appropriate date, then signature Ganesh D is the sign of the SSC. Then here date of the filing income tax return, so here we write as 20 June or July, whatever the date, okay, applicable date, we here put the date, okay. So here we fill a ITR 1 problem number third, okay. In our next lecture we are solve a fourth problem on filing income tax return 1, okay. So thank you very much.